I cannot believe I am finally making this video. I always do apartment tours whenever I move or travel. If you've been with me for years, you would have seen my apartment in Benidorm, Spain, and then in Tulum and Playa del Carmen and Vancouver and all these places that I've lived. But I've been living in this apartment here in Austin for 2 years now, and I haven't done an apartment tour. But I have all the signs telling me that now is the time to do this apartment tour, especially because I'm actually leaving Austin. I can't believe it's happening, but I am working on my move to New York. So in the next couple of months, I will no longer be in this apartment. And I want to make this video to show you what an apartment in Austin, or there's so many different kinds of apartments or living spaces, obviously in Austin, but this is my place in downtown. I won't say what area it is in yet because I'm still living here, but I might announce it on my socials once I leave where I live. But I love this area so much. It is so perfect for me and my lifestyle. I'm able to walk everywhere. It's very peaceful, but like I said, it's downtown, so I personally love it. This apartment is so special to me as well. I really made it my own. I didn't fully finish doing it or decorating it. I don't think anyone ever really does, but I was able to bring parts of myself out in this space, and it really is special. And I wanted to make this video also for myself so I can remember this chapter of my life and the place that I called home for 2 years. But let's get right into this apartment tour. Took you off the tripod so we can walk around. I actually got my apartment cleaned this morning, which is one of my personal favorite life hacks, is having your space cleaned once a month professionally, so it saves you time and energy. And also I think your space is a reflection of your mind, and when there's clutter and a mess, your mind can't function properly. At least that is very true for me. So I've been trying to declutter, and as I prepare for moving, I'm really working on that. But we'll start right over here by the front door. So when you enter my apartment, it is a 1-bedroom, and it opens up directly into the living room, which is like this. And it's a pretty decent size for me. I got most of my furniture from Living Spaces. So my couch is from Living Spaces, as is this chair and that console. My coffee table is actually from Pottery Barn. I love this coffee table so much. And this beautiful yellow rug, yellow and white rug, is from Etsy. I will have all of my things, the things that are in my apartment, as much as I can find, linked below on my LTK. Some are from Amazon, but I'll have a post on my LTK that has all the stuff that I feature that I can find. If not, there will be similar items as well. Moving on to this area is my dining room, but I've actually turned my dining room table into a makeshift desk for myself because I don't have a desk in my apartment and I am working full time right now. So I have my laptop stand. This is my personal laptop, and then I got this Magic keyboard and mouse from Apple, which have been really helpful. I have a plant. It's a fake plant over here, which doesn't fit in the corner. But you guys, these lights are such an amazing thing to have if you have a small apartment. They're super bright. They're like $50 from Amazon, and they take up no space because it's literally just this rod. And you turn it on from the little foot thing. This actually is probably one of my favorite parts of my apartment, this little wall and console, because I have my crystal, my beautiful amethyst crystal right here. And then I have my Assaline, I don't know how to pronounce it, Assaline book. This one is from Zanzibar, and I love his collection of books. And this one is a little different than his typical collection that have very bright, loud colors and geometric shapes. And then I have my Nest diffuser, just some random plants. This is fake, flowers. I am so bad at keeping plants alive though, so that one is almost dead. And actually my best friend just brought me this plant yesterday, which cleans the air, which I need in this apartment because there actually is, scary to say, but I'm pretty sure this apartment has mold. It's a very old building. It's actually from the 50s or 60s, but it is newly renovated. So the appliances, everything in the apartment is quite new. However, the structure of the building is older, which causes it to have other issues, which comes with the territory. And also like some of the fixtures, like the light fixture is a bit outdated, but it adds character, I like to say. And also this is a beautiful chapter of my life living in this space. I'm so grateful for it, and I do want something more modern now, but this is kind of like an Austin vibe apartment complex, if you know what I mean. I have my two paintings here. I got these in Medellin, Colombia from Comuna 13, and I think they're stunning. I got them mounted and framed at Hobby Lobby. And then over here, I actually have my coffee cart. It's a liquor cart. As you can see, I have some liquor and wine at the bottom, but I typically don't drink, especially in my apartment. So I use it more for my coffee cart, where I have my Nespresso pods. I actually decanted a candle and made it into like a little bowl for my Nespresso pods. And then I have all of my favorite supplements. These are all by Love Sweat Fitness. I absolutely love their supplements and their plant-based vegan protein. And then I have a little jar here, which usually has my Element electrolytes that I put in my coffee, some everyday dose mushroom coffee, lavender syrup, and yeah, I love my coffee cart. But it is from Living Spaces also. This is my kitchen, not so glamorous, but it does the job. So I have some space over there, and then I actually just got this reverse osmosis water filter, and I am obsessed because I was using a Brita filter for the longest time. However, I don't think it was filtering my water properly, and this is a total game changer. I'll also have this linked below. And my kitchen does have a dishwasher, which is really nice. This is my bathroom. I do have quite a bit of product. I get sent a lot of product as a content creator, which I am so grateful for, but then I try things out and then we end up with all this. But this is so cool that Kosas just sent me. They sent me a whole display of lip products, which I just leave here so I can do my lips. I'm actually wearing this lip liner right now and I'm obsessed. It's like a brown liner and this is in the shade Supreme. But yeah, I actually really love my bathroom because I do have some more counter space. The sink is quite big. I have all these drawers here and then space underneath here as well. And I installed these like floating ledges that are from Amazon. I think they are so helpful, and you can actually get these in acrylic too, so they're clear. I got this little acrylic makeup organizer from Amazon too. And on to my bedroom, which honestly is a really good size for this apartment. The only thing that I don't particularly love about this apartment is that it is, or one of the things, is that it is very dark. It doesn't get a lot of sunlight, and the sun kind of, it moves parallel to my apartment. I don't know if that makes sense. So it doesn't directly flow into the windows at any time of day. So it is pretty dark in here, but I do love how my bedroom turned out. I actually got this painting when I was in Istanbul on a solo trip 2 years ago. I wanted to get a painting that was a face of a woman above my bed and like kind of abstract. So this was perfect, and it's by Irfan Jarouv, I believe his name is. I will leave it in the screen here. I have my bed. It's actually a Casper mattress, which I love. My duvet is from Crate and Barrel. And then I also have lamps on the side from Crate and Barrel. And this beautiful bench that I actually got in Fredericksburg at a consignment store, or like a antique furniture store. My idea with this apartment and the style of it was to have it be pretty white. Like, as you can tell, all my walls are white, and majority of the furniture. The big furniture is white with pops of gem tone colors because I was kind of modeling it after a Spanish interior designer named Maria Yadó, and I love her style. I actually had the chance to stay in Maria Yadó's homes in Spain for a few months and fell in love with her interior design. I wanted to bring elements of that into my space, so that's kind of what I did here. And I have this beautiful big mirror, which I ideally would have used for selfies, and I still sometimes do. However, because the lighting in my room is not that great, it is difficult to take good pictures in here, but I love to admire its size. These are also floating shelves that came in the same pack as the ones in my bathroom that I installed next to my bed to put my books on. Just real life here is this miscellaneous tray of things that I didn't know where to put, but I actually end up working at my counter, my kitchen counter, way more often than I should instead of my table. But this is kind of my working situation, but I moved from here to there. And these chairs are also from Living Spaces. And yeah, that's kind of my work situation. So this is my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to look back on this video myself when I am in New York and move on. So make sure you subscribe to see how my move goes. I'm going to be sharing how I'm preparing for the move. I'm actually going to start getting rid of my furniture now. So if this video is up and you are interested and in the Austin area, leave a message down below or leave a comment and we can see if any of my items are still available for you. But yeah, I'm really glad I got to make this video and show you a little glimpse into what an apartment in Austin, Texas is like. I have a whole series about Austin, Texas, so make sure you check that out because I'm basically an expert on Austin. I've been here on and off since 2010, and the typical rent for this kind of apartment, I would say, is around $1,500 to $2,000 for the area that I live in, of course. But yeah, this place is really special to me, and I'm glad that I get to take this little snapshot of it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.